Bob Ross, My First Book of Nature, by Robb Pearlman, illustrated by Bob Ross. Look around. Look at what we have. The beauty of nature is everywhere. You only have to look to see it. Happy little clouds just float around and have fun all day in the sky. Some mountains are so tall that the snow on top never melts, even in the bright sunshine. Spend time walking around the woods and talking to trees. There's nothing wrong with having a tree as a friend. Squirrels make their homes in the trees. Other animals live in bushes and shrubs. Fish live in the water, in rivers and ponds. And though some rivers are wild, water can be lazy too. When you feel lazy, take a nap in a shady spot by the river. But not on the rocks. They're too slippery and hard. When your day is done and the moon is out, try painting the clouds, mountains, trees, bushes, shrubs, water, and rocks you saw. Each one of us sees nature differently, and that's the way you should paint it, just the way you see it. The